Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to revise chapter measurement. And before that, we need to write two word problem questions in our workbook. So all of you, please take your workbook, page number 32, question number 18. So we're going to do the first question, that is question number 18. It is a word problem. Okay. Ready now, everyone? Please show me a thumbs up. Yes, okay. So the first question, you please read question number 18. The length of Rena's hand span is 6 centimeters. She measured the length of a blackboard as 8 hand spans. What is the length of the blackboard in centimeters? So after reading, what did you understand from this question? The length of Rena's hand span. So what is meant by hand span? Hand span means the length from our thumbnail to the small finger. This much length, isn't it? Huh? So the length of Rena's hand span is 6 centimeter. How much? 6 centimeter. Okay, 6 centimeter. And she measured with this hand span, she measured the length of a blackboard. And how many hand spans she got? 8 hand span. 8 hand span. So we need to find the length of the blackboard in centimeter. She got only the hand span. How many hand span? 8 hand span. So 8 hand span means how many centimeter? That we have to find out. Okay. Page number 32. In your workbook, page number 32. Okay. So for that, what we need to do? That means 8 hand span means we need to add it 6 times, isn't it? For one hand span, that is 6 centimeter. So 8 hand span means we need to add 6 plus 6 plus 6. How many times? 8 times. So for that, we can use here multiplication. So we already studied multiplication, isn't it? So we can use the multiplication here. So how can we find out the answer?
8 into 6.
Yes, it is 8 into 6. So for that, we need to write the steps also. Okay. So I will show you the steps, how to write the steps.
Okay, ma'am.
So the first two steps we can write. The first step we can write length of Rena's hand span. That is the first step. Page number 32 in your workbook, my dears. And question number 18. Right. Question number 18. Length.
The
length of Rena's hand span.
Hand span is 6. She measured the
length of Rena's hand span.
What is the length of the blackboard?
Please write. Length of Rena's hand span is equal to
6 centimeters.
6 centimeter. Yes, please write it. The first step. Length of Rena's hand span is equal to 6 centimeter.
6 centimeter. Of Rena's hand.
Then second step, what we need to write? Length of the blackboard.
8 hands.
Length of blackboard.
8 hand spans.
8 hand span.
Length.
8 hand span. Length of blackboard is 8 hand span. And we have to find out the length of the blackboard in centimeter. So third step also we can write like this. A length of blackboard.
Length
Equal to, here we can multiply the numbers. How to multiply? 6 into 8. Yes.
I don't have my workbook, Sasra,
Sahasra.
Yeah, in my father's hello.
Okay. So I will send it in the class group. So when you reach home, you can copy that.
Okay.
Okay. So what is the answer? 6 into 8. 6 8s are
8 into 6.
8 into 6 also same.
48.
Yes, 6 8s are 48 or 8 6 are 48. We need to write the unit also. Centimeter. Centimeter. So the length of the blackboard in centimeter is 48 centimeter.
48 centimeter. Somebody's audio is muted.
All of you, please mute your device. Everyone.
Disturbing.
Please mute your device. Unnecessarily, no need to unmute your devices.
Mine.
Then after this, we are going to do in page number 40. Next question, we are going to do page number 40, question number 15.
Ma'am, not completed.
Okay, right. Next, we are going to write page number 40, question number 15.
Page number.
Look at the board, it is there. Page number 40, question number 15. So all of you, those who finished, please read the question. There are 2 flasks of the same capacity.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
I was absent in the today's class.
yesterday. This is not yesterday's question, my dear.
Ma'am, what want to we do?
Question number 15. You read the question, then you will understand. There are 2 flasks of the same capacity. One flask can hold 5 cups of tea. How many cups of tea can the 2 flasks hold together? So here, one flask can hold 5 cups of tea. So what about 2 flasks? How many cups of tea can hold in 2 flasks? So here also we can use
Multiplication.
multiplication. Yes. So how can we use the multiplication here? Which all numbers we need to multiply? 5 into
5 into 5.
5 into how many flasks it is telling about?
2.
It's telling about 2 flasks. So
5 into 2.
multiply 5 into 2.
5 into 2 is equal to 10.
Yes, 5
2
twos are 10. Yes, it is very easy, isn't it? So we can write the steps for this question answer. Capacity, first step. Workbook. Capacity of 1 flask. What is the capacity of 1 flask? 5 cups of tea. Five cups of tea. Then we can write the second step also. Capacity of 2 flasks. is equal to 2 into 5. Two into 5. So what is the answer? 2 5s are 10.
10.
So here we can write 10 cups of tea.
10 cup of tea.
Yes, 10 cups of tea. So we are doing only these questions. And after that, we are going to revise the chapter.
Excuse me, ma'am, can you wait?
Yes, yes, yes. Write fast.
Ma'am, rows completed.
Rows completed. Okay.
Ma'am, I coming this time. This Raju completed.
Okay, okay. I will send it in the group also, the same answer. So don't worry. After the class, I'll send. Devananda, what are you showing there? Show me. This is the activity. Yes, yes, yes. Wait a minute. Let me mark
Ma'am,
here.
workbook or
Workbook.
Okay.
Devananda.
activity.
Devananda. Yes. Then who else? Ansel. Ansel, I already shown yesterday. Afreen. Yes, Afreen. Anybody else? Ansel. Okay, very good answer.
Ma'am, can you wait some? Ma'am, Ranatil has show you my
Those who show already, no need to show again. Those who did not show me, only you can show me today.
Ma'am, I did not show.
Then show me now. Daksha Lakshmi. Yes, Daksha. Okay, very good.
Ma'am, page number.
Now Ansel. Ansel, I already marked Ansel. Very good. Anything? Anybody else? Devananda also I have marked. Okay, Devananda.
I have already shown.
Who is asking the page number again and again? Huh? Who is that? Yes, Daksha. Very good. Daksha. Daksha Lakshmi. Very good. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Anna. Yes, Anna. It is there. Page number 40. Okay, only one more minute. I will wait 1 more minute. Please do it fast.
Afya's activity.
Afya's activity. Show me, please. Very good, Afya.
Ma'am, 40 or 14.
Yes.
Afrin's activity.
Afya. Okay. Afrin also I have marked the Afrin. Very good. Very good.
40 or 14.
40. 40. Okay. Now I'll send it in the class group. This much time is enough. Otherwise, we will not get the time to revise this chapter. Okay. So when I'm sending the worksheet, these 2 questions I will send today. Okay, so don't worry.
Show the board. I am writing the last line.
Last line. Okay. Do it fast.
Now I completed.
Okay, okay. Okay.
I don't have the 18th question.
What, Rose?
I don't write the 18th question. I come late.
Okay, okay. No problem. I'll send it in the group. Okay. So that time you please copy. Now, in this measurement chapter, mainly we studied about how to measure the length, weight, and capacity. Okay. These are the main points we studied in this chapter. Have you all remember that? Measurement of length, measurement of weight, measurement of capacity. So for measuring the length of anything, what all units we will use for measuring the length of anything?
Meter,
centimeter,
kilometer.
Yes. So for length, if you see the word length, you have to remember the units for measuring length are centimeter, meter, kilometer. Okay. For finding the length of any object, we can use centimeter, meter, kilometer. Centimeter is the smallest unit. Meter is coming in between. And kilometer. When we will use kilometer?
Biggest.
Kilometer is the largest unit. So when we will use kilometer?
When we travel.
For finding a distance from place.
Distance is large.
Okay. For finding a place of distance from your park to school or a school to office. For finding the distance only we are using kilometer. Okay. So what are the standard units of measuring length?
Meter.
Now, okay. Next one we studied about measuring the weight of the things. Weight. Okay. Weight. For finding weight, we will use milligram, gram, and kilogram. Okay. Which are the three units? Milligram. Milligram is the smallest unit. Kilogram. Okay. So kilogram is the largest unit. So for finding your body weight, which unit we will use? Kilogram. Okay. For finding our body weight, we will use kilogram. Okay. So for finding weight also, have you all remember that?
Yes.
Weight. Then third one it is capacity. What is capacity? What is capacity?
Milliliter.
What is capacity? Not liter, milliliter and all. What is capacity?
Ma'am, somebody is chatting.
Please don't chat now, my dears. Tell me what is capacity?
Holding liquids water.
In a bottle.
Volume of content.
Volume. How much water can hold in a bottle? That is the capacity. So if a bottle can hold 5 glass of water, the capacity of the bottle is 5 glass. 5 glass of water. Okay. So capacity means the liquid the container can hold. And how we will measure the capacity? What all units we will use to measure?
Liter.
Yes. We will use milliliter, liter,
and kiloliter.
Kiloliter is the largest unit for finding the petrol tank. For finding the measurement, we will use kiloliter. Okay. So these are the 3 important topics. Now let me share the screen for you. Yesterday I have sent the same. You can see here also. Yes? And I think you already got the answers of these questions.
Yes.
So now, yes. Just we will discuss about this. Let me ask you one by one. And Ansel, tell me the first question answer. The standard unit of measuring length is called dash. Ansel?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer of the first question? The standard unit of measuring length.
Milliliter. Meter.
Meter. Yes, the standard unit of measuring length is called meter. So those who did not write the answer, you can write now. The standard unit of measuring length is called meter. Afia, second question answer, tell me. To use length larger than a meter, we use a larger unit called dash.
Kilometer.
Kilometer. Yes, very good. It is kilometer. Krishna Raju, tell me the next question answer. 100 centimeter is equal to dash meter.
1 meter.
1 meter. Very good. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Now this one already there in your WhatsApp group, class group, it is there. So already you copied. No, many of the students already finished. So those who did not copy, you can copy from there and write the answer. Okay, finish. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Diya, CS, tell me the fourth question answer. Dash gram of jewelry is called a tola.
Dash gram of jewelry is called
Tola. Answer. Diya? Huh? What happened there? Okay. Now let me ask to Ishan. Ishan Krishna, tell me. Dash gram of jewelry is called a tola.
10.
10 gram. Very good. It is 10. 10 gram of jewelry is called a tola. Question number 5, Afrin. Question number 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Weight of animals and birds is measured in which unit? Weight of animals and birds is measured in dash.
Kilogram.
Weight. Yes,
Kilo.
it is kilogram.
Kilogram.
Weight of animals and birds is measured in kilogram.
Kilogram.
Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Next question. Shivanedya. 1 kilogram is equal to dash gram. 1 kilogram means? Huh?
Milligram.
No. 1 kilogram is equal to dash gram. What is the answer?
Kilogram.
1 kilogram is equal to dash gram. Daksha Lakshmi. 1 kilogram?
1 kilogram is
Dash gram. How much
100
gram is
gram.
1 kilogram?
100 gram.
Not 100.
1000.
1000. Yes. 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. Okay. 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. Like that, liter and milliliter also. 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. Only in centimeter and meter it is 100. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. The rest of this two, it is 1000. 1000 gram, 1 kilogram. 1000 milliliter, 1 liter. Suresh.
Thank you, ma'am.
7th question. Small quantities of liquids such as tonic doses are measured in dash. Small quantities like medicines we are having, no? Which unit we will use to measure tonic and all? Small quantity. Huh? Doctor will prescribe, no? When you are going to consult doctor, he will say it is 5 dash of syrup or 2.5 dash of syrup. So which unit we will use there? Huh? No idea. Veda, can you say the answer? For the small measurement capacity.
Ma'am, can you read the question?
Small quantities of liquids such as tonic doses are measured in dash. Daksha Deepak.
Milliliter.
Yes, correct. You heard, no? 5 ml of syrup or 5 ml of tonic. 2.5 ml. ml means milliliter. Okay, Suresh, understand? Veda, understand? Small quantities we are using milliliter in capacity. Okay, 8th question. Petrol in tankers is measured in dash. Krishna Raj, petrol in tankers.
Liter.
Huh? Petrol in tankers.
Kiloliter.
Kiloliter, yes, it is kiloliter. Anna, 1000 milliliter is equal to dash liter.
1000 liter.
1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. Just now we discussed now, my dear. 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. Okay. Next one is match the following. So where we can match this all? Weight. Weight we can match it with the second option. The measure of how heavy an object is. Here you can match. Weight means the measure of how heavy an object is. Capacity. Next one, capacity. Capacity where we can match. Capacity.
Amount of
The amount
unit
that
of
a
capacity.
container.
Last
Last
one.
one.
Amount that a container can hold. Amount that a container can hold. We want
Meter,
to write
third
in
one.
the page. Meter, unit of length.
Meter, unit of length.
First one.
Next one, liter.
Ma'am, you want to write unit of capacity. The third one. Unit of capacity. Third one. Unit of capacity.
Capacity. Okay. Kilogram
Unit of weight. The fourth one.
of weight. Fourth one. Okay. Now, 11th one is a word problem. A bucket contains 18 liter of water and another bucket contains 12 liter. Find the total amount of water in 2 buckets. So here both the buckets, the quantity is given there. One bucket is having 18 liter, the other bucket is having 12 liter. So how can we find the total?
I don't know
find the
what
total?
you want to do in this.
This message already I have sent yesterday, my dear. The same worksheet I have sent yesterday in the class group, and I told you to copy the same notes in the notebook, Max notebook.
Yes,
And that same we are discussing now.
Yes, I have copied. Yes,
I
have a copy.
Now listen to my question. In this 11th question, what we can do? We need to find the total amount of water. How can we find the total amount of water? What we need to do here? Is it addition or subtraction or multiplication? Which one we can use?
Addition.
Yes, it is addition because we need to find the total amount of water. So 2 buckets are there. Then we need to find the two buckets total amount. We need to add it, isn't it? So for finding that, we can write like this, the total amount of water. Write like this, total amount of water is equal to
18 liter.
18 liter plus 12 liter. Then we can add it by the side. Please add and tell me the answer.
30 liter.
What is the answer?
30 liter.
30 liter. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 in the 10 we will write 0 here. 1 we will carry over to the tens place. Now we are adding all the tens place numbers. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So answer is 30 liter.
And can we write like this 80 plus 12 liters get to 30 liter?
Yes. Now there are two more questions we need to discuss. 12th question. Please read the 12th question. A cow gives
Gives
8 liters of milk every day. How much milk will get in a week? So here you can cut this 8. Instead of 8, you can write 6. Because we did not study the multiplication table of 8. So here we need to do the multiplication. Okay. A cow gives. Cut and write it as 6. A cow gives 6 liters of milk every day. How much milk will get in a week? So how many days are there in a week?
7 days.
7 days. There are 7 days in a week. So what we need?
7 into 6.
Yes, it is 7 into 6.
42.
7 into 6. What is the answer?
42.
Those who study the table, they will get the answer very fast.
Excuse me, ma'am. 1 and 2 and ma'am.
Yes?
4, 5, 6. Do we need to write any step?
No need, no need.
Okay, ma'am.
Then 13th one also. One more is there. A man weighs 72 kilo and his wife weighs 59 kilogram. How much does the man weigh more than his wife? So man is having more weight, isn't it?
Yes.
Wife is having less weight. So we need to find out how much more than this wife. How much does the man weigh more than his wife?
We have to subtract.
So here we have to subtract these numbers. Then only we'll get how much more than this.
Minus 2
So,
minus 9 is equal to 7.
72 minus 59.
59.
So you can do it by the side. 72 minus 59.
13.
Here 2 minus 9, is it possible to subtract?
No.
So here borrowing 2 will become 12, 7 will become 6. What is the answer? 13 kilograms. So how much more the man weighs more than his wife? 13 kilograms.
13 kilograms.
Okay. So after the class, one revision test is also there. So I will send the link to the class group. So you can do it now. And those who cannot do it now, you can do it evening also. So now I'm going to send.
Okay, in the chat box?
Not here. In the class group, I'll send.
Okay.
Okay. And if you can't do it now, you can do at 7 p.m. No problem. The link will be open at that time also.
Okay.
Okay, children. So thank you. See you in the next class.
Thank you,
Bye.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.